Greetings and vanakkam. Today, this is our take on pasta al limone. A simple angel hair pasta with lemon zest, lemon juice, a little bit of butter, and extra virgin olive oil, and some Parmesan cheese grating. Okay, let me try this.
Hi, Ananta. Hope everyone doing good. I can't. It looks very delicious. I want to try it too.
Really delicious. Every bite of this pasta al limone, wow. I'm still puzzled how such a dish with so few ingredients can taste so good. You all should actually really try this. This really actually puzzles me. Wow, how is it?
Very mouth-watering, so delicious. Okay.
Another bite.
You guys like the recipe? Try it after.
It's lemony, and for those of you who like it spicy, we can add a generous amount of black pepper. It will go very well with this dish. With the tartness of this lemon, the black pepper will be spicy enough with a really good taste. Try this out. Don't forget to try this out. Come, let's go and see how we prepare this dish. Okay? Thank you for being with us. Take care, stay safe, till we meet again. Come, let's go and see how we do this dish.
Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Take care.
Let us take a handful of cherry tomatoes. Choose the cute little ones which are firm and ripe. Slice them, dice them or chop them to your desired shape. Here we have sliced them into halves. Let us keep them aside. Let us boil 1 liter of mineral water in a pot. Add 1 teaspoon heaped sea salt. Take 200 grams of angel hair pasta. Hold the pasta firmly in your hands and give a twist like so. The pasta will spread evenly when you drop it into the boiling brine. Cook the pasta according to the instructions found on the pasta packet. Different brands will come with a different timing. Al dente means pasta cooked to perfection. Remove it from the stove. Pour the pasta into a colander or a large sieve and let the brine run out. Do not rinse the pasta in cold water, you will lose all the flavors. The pasta will get firmer by itself as there is no water retention there. Just throw the pasta into a room temperature casserole set or a large bowl or any mixing vessel. Leave the bowl open so that the pasta can get aerated and cool down by itself. Throw in about 40 grams of room temperature salted butter. Let us use a wooden spatula or a silicone spatula to turn the spaghetti or the noodles so that the butter can mix evenly and coat all the noodles properly. Sprinkle the pasta with about 50 grams of chopped parsley. If parsley is not available, you can use any other herbs of your choice available to you. Let's top it up with the sliced cherry tomatoes we prepared earlier. Now we shall dash in some flavorful extra virgin olive oil. After thinly slicing off some of the lemon zest, take half a lemon. Let us nicely squeeze in the juices of half the lemon into the pasta. Finely chop the thin slices of lemon zest. Let us now spread the finely chopped lemon zest evenly all over the pasta. Come, let us mix and coat all these ingredients evenly before we start plating. We can accompany this pasta dish with any side dish. Here we are using a roasted chicken thigh. We are using a home cooked salsa sauce for the chicken thigh. You can use even black pepper sauce or sriracha pepper sauce or any other sauce of your liking. Garnish with some chopped parsley. I love my pasta with a extra dash of extra virgin olive oil. It tastes awesome that way. And also with some crushed black pepper for a light bite in my tongue. And top it up with the best cheese for this pasta al limone, Parmigiano-Reggiano. These cheese scrapings will go all the way to tickle your taste buds.